thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles north of North Manitou Island to 11 nautical miles east of Arcadia, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Old Mason Lighthouse, Sutton Bay, Traverse City, Newport, Elk Rapids, Cat Head Point, and Graham Traverse Lake. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Here are the marine observations for the 3 o'clock hour. Radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from near Copemish to 7 miles west of Dublin. Movement was east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Cadillac, Thompsonville, Kingsley, Manton, Sherman, Buckley, Boone, Caliba, Fife Lake, Onexmont, Meetic, Bear Lake, Copemish, Harrietta, Miwataka, Dublin, Carlin, Brethren, Wellston, and Hannah. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. The Traverse City issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan from Point Betsy to Manistee, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, Manistee to Point Betsy, Michigan, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:06 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles southeast of Sturgeon Bay Ship Canal Light to 20 nautical miles east of Kewanee Pierhead Light to 21 nautical miles west of Big Sable Point Light, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Arcadia, Point Betsy, Pierport, Portage Lake, Williamsport, Manistee, and Frankfurt. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
WNG 672, that's not your coverage area. Watch. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
includes the following counties in Michigan: Benton, Crawford, Grand Traverse, Itasca, Manistee, Missaukee, and Rexford. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Michigan from Pensawater to Manistee, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Small craft could be damaged and due to higher winds and suddenly higher. Alert has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Michigan until 3 p.m. Well, 3 p.m. Severe thunderstorms are located along the line heading from Pratt County to the Tokenish to 6 miles southwest of Dallas, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard.
I snoozed it already.
Damaged roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near, calming around 2:10 p.m. Channel, Buckley, Music, Harriet, Tuxedo, Yuma, Cincinnati, State Park, and Cincinnati around 2:15 p.m. Traverse City, Guam, here around 2:20 p.m. Tuesday, Boone, Minnetonka, and Traverse City State Park around 2:25 p.m. Spider Lake around 2:30 p.m. Megan, Nickel State Park, and Williamsburg around 2:35 p.m. South Lake around 2:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by
2:40 is when it
storms include for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Grand Traverse, and Wexford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line of the national weather. For the following areas: Lake Michigan from Point Betsy to Manistee, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Manistee to Point Betsy, Michigan, at 1:50 p.m. Strong thunderstorms were located along the line of Sunny from 19 nautical miles east of Rocket Point to 15 nautical miles west of Arcadia to 2 nautical miles north of Manistee, moving east at 25 miles south. Move your freight proper immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3 p.m. for Wexford and Grand Traverse counties. At 2:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Traverse City to near Buckley to near Tuxedo, moving east at 60 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour when gusts from any side hill. Source, radar indicated. Damaged roofs, siding, and trees. These severe storms will be near Traverse City, Cadillac, Tuesday. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern New Eagle County and west central Michigan, Mecosta County in central Michigan, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles west of Big Rapids, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Big Rapids, White Cloud, Morley, La Costa, Canadian Lakes, Remus, Millbrook, Paris, Meriden, Stenwood, Sylvester, Rodney, Hawkins, Woodville, Altona, Robin Hood Airport, Lake Ramapee, Chippewa Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Osceola County in central Michigan until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles east of Luther to near Reed City, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Everett, Reed City, Marion, Highland, Percy, Leroy, Tustin, Big Lake, Ashton, Sears, Sunrise Lake, Avondale, Lake Ramapee, Rose Lake, Dighton. These storms have a history of causing power outages across Lake County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now here is your local for Fremont, Roosevelt Park, North Mesquite, Whitehall, Montague, Lakewood Club, Savannah, Fruitport, Grant, Norton Shores, Dalton, Holton, Sullivan, Richton, New Era, Rootbury, Casanova. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeast west central Michigan, La Costa County, central Michigan, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe storm was located 10 miles west of Big Rapids, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of Augrey to 7 miles northwest of Ciba, wind to 6 miles west of Unionville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Ciba wing around 4:30 p.m. Kaysville and Pigeon around 4:40 p.m. Arendelle around 4:45 p.m. Elkton around 4:50 p.m. Van Axe, Port Austin, and Kinley around 5 p.m. Port Hope around 5:25 p.m. Harbor Beach around 5:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Redman, Parisville, Huron City, White Rock, Ivanhoe, Rapson, Grindstone City, Bayport, Pinnebog, and Ruth. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Huron, Michigan. A severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Genesee County in southeastern Michigan until 5:45 p.m. At 4:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bridgeport to near Oakley to near Williamsburg, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and pennies and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Montrose around 4:40 p.m. Flushing, Clio, and Lennon around 4:50 p.m. Flint, Swartz Creek, Mount Morris, Gaines, and Beecher around 5 p.m. Crossroads Village around 5:05 p.m. Britain, Linden, O'Teesville, and Otter Lake around 5:10 p.m. Fenton, Grand Blanc, and Lake Fenton around 5:15 p.m. Davison around 5:20 p.m. Goodrich around 5:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Atlas, Thetford Township, Argentine, Rankin, and Genesee. This includes the following highways: I-75 between mile markers 106 and 133. I-475 between mile markers 1 and 16. I-69 between mile markers 124 and 148. Bus 23 between mile markers 78 and 90. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Genesee, Michigan. A severe thunderstorm warning remains. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Livingston County in southeastern Michigan until 6 p.m. At 4:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Owasso to 6 miles west of Gary to 6 miles south of Lansing, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Fowlerville around 5 p.m. Hawkville around 5:05 p.m. Howell and Oak Grove around 5:10 p.m. Gregory around 5:15 p.m. Hartland and Pinckney around 5:25 p.m. Brighton around 5:30 p.m. Hamburg around 5:35 p.m. Whitmore Lake around 5:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Parker's Corners, Lakeland, Hayfield, Island Lake State Recreation Area, Simpson, Avila, Conway Township, Pinckney State Recreation Area, Hell, and Tyrone Township. This includes the following highways: I-96 between mile markers 125 and 152. Bus 23 between mile markers 53 and 77. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: Livingston, Michigan. For the following